Okay guys, good evening. Ito, panibagong vlog na naman. Aerox version 2. Ayan, nag-avail si sir ng ating pangmalupitang package A, which is PIA Auto Style and Icon. Siyempre, version 2, pang malakasan. Icon lang, malakas. Alright. Sample video natin, setup video para dito sa Aerox version 2. Low beam, solid white. Alright. High beam, solid yellow, blasted yellow. Yan. Passing light. Alright. Low beam, nagpa-passing, high beam, passing light pa rin, alright? Tapos, switch mode ng ating, syempre, stock horn without rapid, without combo, alright? Tapos, switch mode ng loud horn, which is PIA Auto Style, alright? Ayan. Solid PIA Auto Style, walang combo. Tapos, rapid mode, alright? Rapid mode, alright? High beam, alright? Sa mga gusto magpa-setup sa Aerox version 2, ayan, punta lang kayo dito sa ating shop. Icon, mini driving light, naka-promo tayo, ayan, pang malakasan. Low beam, high beam, alright. Passing light, busina, alright. Aerox version 2, ayan. Wish nyo lang, Atan Indotai Concept, number 9, CP Garcia Avenue, UP Diliman, Quezon City, alright. Ayan, no? Aerox stainless bracket na rin na ginamit natin. Nito tape, syempre, Denso relay. Ayan, pang malakasan, Japan wire. Okay, fuse box, Japan din, alright.